What if I told you that you can get Pinterest right on your Windows 11 desktop in less than 2 minutes? By the end of this video, you'll have Pinterest sitting right on your desktop, ready to go with just one click. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, click on the Start menu, or just press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now, type Microsoft Store in the search bar. Then, click on Microsoft Store from the search results. Once the Microsoft Store opens up, you'll see the search bar at the top. Click on that and type Pinterest, then hit enter. You'll see Pinterest pop up in the search results, so go ahead and click on it to open the Pinterest details page. Once you're here, you'll notice a blue button that says Get. Click on that. The Pinterest app will now start downloading and installing automatically. Just give it a moment. When the installation is complete, that button will change to say Open. To launch the application, click on the Start menu and search for Pinterest, then click on Pinterest from the search results. And you have it! The Pinterest application is now launched on your Windows PC. Now, if you want quick access right from your desktop, here's a neat trick. Click the 3 dots inside your new Pinterest app window. Select App Settings from the menu, and you'll see a button that says Create Desktop Shortcut. Click that, and boom, Pinterest will appear as an icon on your desktop. You've successfully installed Pinterest on Windows 11, and now you can access it anytime with just one click. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.